Hello my dear friends, today I am going to present the working model of a motion detecting security camera. For this I have used my laptop webcam as the camera and Python programming as the software. The program detects the movement of the object and start recording. I am going to show you how the recording starts. When I put my hand into the camera view, it will start recording. When there is no motion for 10 seconds, it will stop recording. You can see the recording started and stopped steps in the log. This is very useful when you have limited storage for recording. When you are monitoring events, if you require notification when there is movement, etc. Now I will show where recordings are stored. I used Python 3.11 and Python IDLE PyCharm. I am sharing Github link in for code in description. I take this opportunity to thank my teachers Anjana ma'am, Katija ma'am, Eknath uncle, Ibrahim uncle for helping to do this project. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.